In recent years, the nautical industry has undergone a silent yet powerful revolution, one that is transforming the way we navigate, explore, and even think about the oceans around us. We are witnessing vessels that break the traditional rules of physics, machines that quite literally fly over water, and boats that pack technologies so advanced that they look like they were stolen from the future. But what exactly makes these next-generation watercraft so extraordinary? Today, I'll take you through 8 of the most astonishing marine vehicles ever created, machines that push engineering to its absolute limits. These are vessels so advanced, so unique, and so futuristic that they feel like science fiction. Yet they are completely real, so sit back, relax, and get ready, because what you're about to see will absolutely blow your mind. Number 8. Hypersub. The world's first speedboat plus submarine hybrid. Imagine a submarine that doesn't crawl slowly beneath the ocean, but one that moves with the speed of a sports boat. Seems impossible, right? Well, the Hypersub just turned that fantasy into reality. This extraordinary machine is a hybrid watercraft capable of doing something no other submarine in the world can do: dive underwater like a sub, and race on the surface at over 60 miles per hour like a high-performance speedboat. What makes the Hypersub even more mind-blowing is its instant transition system. In less than 10 seconds, the craft can switch modes, from slicing across the surface to silently slipping beneath the waves like a stealth hunter. Its aerodynamic design, inspired by military torpedoes, reduces drag to levels never seen in civilian vessels. The craft looks like something Batman would own: sharp, aggressive, and engineered for pure performance. But the real highlight? A fully pressurized cabin that can carry 4 passengers while offering 360-degree underwater visibility. It feels like sitting inside a floating glass bubble, watching the ocean unfold around you. Even with its staggering price tag of around $2 million, there's already a wait list of luxury buyers, explorers, and private owners who want to be the very first to experience this hybrid monster. It's not just a watercraft, it's an experience. Number 7. Airfish 8. The boat that literally flies. The Airfish 8 isn't a boat. It's not a plane either. It's something in between. An engineering masterpiece that glides over the water using a principle called ground effect. Picture this: you're sitting inside a sleek, futuristic watercraft. You accelerate, and suddenly you lift off, floating 20 feet above the ocean. This 8-seater machine reaches speeds of up to 150 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest non-aircraft vehicles to ever touch the water. Because it rides on a cushion of air, fuel consumption drops by 30%, making it incredibly efficient compared to traditional speedboats. What makes the Airfish 8 even more fascinating is how flexible its use cases are: luxury island-to-island transport, coastal surveillance, high-speed rescue missions, VIP tourism, private island commuting. Just imagine getting to your island getaway, not by plane, not by boat, but by literally hovering above the ocean on a magic carpet of air. The technology isn't new, but for the first time, it's being sold commercially for around $1.5 million, which is shockingly accessible considering the insane tech behind it. Number 6. Typhoon Shadow 6. The tactical speedboat that laughs at waves. If you thought speedboats had reached their technological limit, think again. The Typhoon Shadow 6 is a 20-foot tactical monster originally created for special forces, but now updated for civilian adrenaline junkies. This beast hits 80 miles per hour with stability that looks physically impossible. Its hull uses impact-absorbing technology that literally eats waves alive. Instead of bouncing violently, the boat glides smoothly through even the wildest ocean conditions. Its propulsion system is a work of art: dual next-gen motors, optional stealth mode, reducing noise by 60%, optimized thrust for both shallow and deep waters. Speaking of shallow waters, this boat can operate in just 12 inches of water. That means you can explore mangroves, river systems, and remote coastlines that were previously inaccessible. With a 370-mile range and space for 6 passengers, the Typhoon Shadow 6 blends luxury with extreme performance. Prices start at $400,000 and rise depending on upgrades. This thing isn't just a boat, it's the closest you can get to driving a military craft without actually joining the Navy. Number 5. Iguana Pro Interceptor. The amphibious beast that drives on land. Now things start getting crazy. The Iguana Pro Interceptor doesn't just sail on water, it literally drives on land like a tank. But don't imagine a slow, clunky amphibious vehicle. This machine can roll across beaches, sand, mud ramps, rocky terrain, all thanks to its retractable track system that deploys in under 8 seconds. Picture this: you reach a remote beach, you press a button, the tracks unfold, and suddenly you drive onto land. No dock, no ramp, no help. It's total freedom. The interior is spacious enough to carry up to 12 passengers or 2,200 pounds of cargo. Because of its unmatched versatility, it's being used by emergency rescue teams, military patrols, luxury resorts, adventure expeditions, private owners who want the ultimate toy base price. $250,000 fully customized versions? They easily cross $500,000. This is not just a boat, it's land plus sea domination in one. Number 4. Racebird E1 Series. The future of electric boat racing. Welcome to the future of nautical sports. The Racebird E1 Series is the world's first fully electric racing boat created for the new E1 World Championship, the marine equivalent of Formula E. Don't let the word electric fool you. This thing hits 60 miles per hour in 4 seconds with acceleration that slams you into your seat. Its most innovative feature: the hydrofoil technology that lifts the entire hull out of the water, reducing drag by 75%. And allowing incredibly fast, energy-efficient racing. Every Racebird includes ultra-fast charging batteries, liquid-cooled power systems, adaptive hydrofoil control, identical specs for every team. That last part is important. This is a pure skill sport, not a money sport. Whoever has the better pilot wins. The visuals are stunning. The boats float above the water, slicing through the air like futuristic birds. With no fuel, no pollution, and almost no noise, this series is attracting former F1 drivers, extreme sports athletes, environmental innovators, young racers. This is not just racing. This is a revolution. Number 3. Jet Capsule Yacht. A luxury yacht shrunk into a futuristic pod. What if you could experience all the luxury of a massive yacht, but packed into a small, futuristic 23-foot capsule? That's exactly what the Jet Capsule Yacht delivers. It looks like a sci-fi escape pod drifting across the ocean. Round, sleek, compact, and incredibly stable thanks to its low center of gravity. Step inside, and it feels like a floating VIP lounge. LED lighting, leather seating, convertible interior layouts optional. Micro-bedroom optional, kitchenette and bathroom. This tiny yacht can carry 8 to 12 passengers depending on the configuration. It can be a private mini yacht, a party pod, an office on water, a water taxi, a tender for a mega yacht with speeds up to 53 miles per hour and options for diesel, hybrid, or fully electric propulsion. This capsule is redefining what luxury on water can mean. Prices start at $250,000, making it one of the most affordable luxury yachts on Earth. Number 2. Hydrofoil, a jet ski flyway. The jet ski that flies above water. Now get ready for something totally different. The Hydrofoil E-Jet Ski Flyway doesn't ride on the water, it flies above it. Thanks to advanced hydrofoils, the entire jet ski lifts 3 feet above the ocean, giving a sensation that feels like weightless flight. The acceleration is instant. The ride is silent, and the feeling? Pure magic. No loud engine sound, no bumpy waves, just smooth, peaceful gliding over crystal clear waters. With a top speed of 37 miles per hour and a range of around 2 hours, it's one of the most relaxing and futuristic water experiences available today. The automatic stabilization system makes riding incredibly easy, even for beginners. That's why luxury resorts worldwide are quickly adopting it for guests who want an unforgettable experience. To $18,000. The Flyway is expensive for a jet ski, but priceless for what it offers. Number 1. Raffner 1100. The boat that doesn't fear the ocean. Finally, we arrive at the most surprising vessel on this list. The Raffner 1100 isn't the fastest, it isn't the most luxurious, and it isn't the most expensive. But it is the most revolutionary. This Icelandic rescue vessel uses a patented OK hull technology that completely redefines how a boat interacts with waves. Instead of slamming into waves, instead of bouncing violently, the Raffner absorbs wave energy and releases it in a controlled, balanced manner. The result? Stability that feels almost supernatural. In real-world tests, the Raffner 1100 has operated in seas so rough that boats twice its size sank or were forced to retreat. Coast guards, Navy units, and rescue organizations in multiple countries are replacing their fleets with Raffner vessels because they can operate in 26-foot waves, they reduce impact on crew by 75%, they prevent fatigue and injury, they can function when no other boat can even leave port. This boat doesn't just navigate the ocean, it conquers it. Sometimes innovation isn't about making things faster, it's about making the impossible possible. And there you have it. 8 watercraft that are completely rewriting everything we thought we knew about marine engineering, from submarines that race like speedboats to jet skis that fly to rescue vessels that challenge nature's fury. The future of maritime transportation isn't coming, it's already here. So tell me, which one blew your mind the most? Would you dare to try the hypersub? Or would you choose the peaceful flight of the Flyway? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, because every week, we bring you technology that will leave you absolutely speechless. See you in the next video.